Hey, what's up everybody? Thank you for coming back to the channel, and today we have a $2,000 mystery box from one of my friends. So let's get into it right after this. All right, so today's box comes from my friend Timothy, and he is one of my friends that I've gotten to know from a Facebook group. We are both the same size, so we kind of did a lot of deals together. He's actually helped me kind of cut in line for one of Foot Action LA releases, whatever, but saved me like 2 hours, I think, worth of my time. So thank you so much. Thank you for the box. Yeah, really quick, I do want to say that I am still giving away a free pair of Yeezys. All right, so a pair of Yeezys, size 8 dead stock, they go for about $330 or something like that. So whether if it's your size or not, you guys can enter. It doesn't matter what you're gonna do with this shoe. You could either resell it and make your money, you can wear it, you can gift them, whatever you want. They're yours for free. So make sure to check out this video. And if you can't click that link for some reason, it's gonna be in the description box down below. So we do have a counter over here, and what that tells us is the estimated market value for each shoe. And at the very end of it all, we're gonna go and see how it compares to the box price. So like I said, this one was $2,000. That's all I paid. Shipping was included. So $2,000 total. Whatever the market value adds up to be, we'll subtract it and see how much profit we're actually gonna be making in today's box. So with all of that said, let's go ahead and get right into it. From us over here at Sneak Peek, we want to always give you a sneak peek, right? So, actually, I don't even know if I could lift this, but thank you for securely packaging all of it. But look at that, guys. Everything is bubble wrapped. That's amazing. So, thank you so much. I know that's not much of a sneak peek because you can't really see it all, but oh well. We'll just start off right here. A nice little 7C size box. It looks like it's a Jordan 1. And let's see what we got here. Oh, from Finish Line. Nice. Nice. So we have a pair of these super cute Air Jordan 1 tie-dyes. All right, so we do have these cute baby Jordan 1s right here. They are dead stock, as you guys can see. So cool colorway, meant for women, but unisex nowadays. So black toe box, cool little details, Nike. But yeah, that's pretty much it. First shoe out of the box, size 7C. If you want to lace up your kids, you know where to come cop. So I'm just gonna keep pulling from the top. We have a New Balance box. See, this is the dangerous thing about buying this box. Everything is kind of my size, so a little tempting, but size 10.5 New Balance. Let's see which kind of New Balance we got right here. Oh, super interesting. So this is a 827. So here are these New Balances. These are, like I said, the 827, the Rats. I forget if that's what it's called, but you guys can see it super up close right here. Rats, Stray Rats, I think it's called. So super soft suede, really good materials. It's got some unique little hits right here. Whoa. And yeah, it's just kind of a brown shoe, almost looks like a trail hiking shoe. So not a bad shoe, nice quality. Not sure about market value, but size 10.5, cool shoe. All right, next shoe. We got actually a decent amount. The box felt a little lighter than I thought, but I guess I'm wrong. So a size 5.5Y or a woman size 7. If you guys are interested, this is gonna be a Nike LeBron 7. Oh, nice. We have a pair of the Media Day LeBron 7. Another dead stock shoe, just perfect. They do have this speckled midsole right here for the Air unit. LeBron little logo right there. And like I said, the quality on these is actually like pretty nice. Got James right here and bigger LeBron on the medial side. And then the other shoe is purple. So it's cool little homage to the Lakers and LeBron. Definitely Lakers colors. They just advanced next round of the playoffs. So if you want to support LeBron or your kids want to support LeBron, go ahead, make sure to cop these. These are cool. All right, so we do have one little Supreme thing here. It does say that it's a shower cap, and maybe I'll just throw this into one of these random boxes that someone purchases. So free gift maybe for someone. Oh, interessante. We do have a pair of some Eric Emanuel shorts. So I've never tried these, but I do have one on the way. I actually got lucky and ordered one. Size small. I don't know. I know that they go for above retail, but not too crazy. So I'm guessing maybe around 130, 150. But pretty cool. I'm not going to take it out of the bag just because I'm probably going to sell it because a size small doesn't fit me. But this will be a pretty good add to the counter just for some shorts. So we actually have, I've seen this one before, size 9, which is actually, oh, but it's a different model. So remember I was like 1, 2, the
1, 2, 3.
Nike Space Hippie 3, you know? But now we have number 1. So let's go ahead and take a look at those. This one also comes with a Nike Space Hippie bag, which I always think is dope. And this is Nike Space Hippie 1 in the Volt Gray colorway. Nike Space Hippie 1, as you guys can see right here, it says 1. So these are dead stock, little up close look. They do have all of those different type of rubbers in there mixed into one. And then you do have like this zoom bag right here that's pieced together by a bunch of different ones. And then you do have this recycled upper, that gray Flyknit type of material. And then you got these lace loops. I do like this blue color. That's actually pretty cool. And then also the insoles right here. They're kind of pieced together from other foams as well. So yeah, pretty cool shoe right here. I wanted this for myself actually, but I just didn't think I could pull this off. Yeah, and also the box is super cool. It's all like all up in there. And luckily, I'm guessing he didn't get these from Nike because Nike sent them out in the box rather than double boxed. And this one doesn't have any of that tape over it, so box is in good condition. All right, he actually had a variety of sizes, so nothing's really my size. Let's see here, a Jordan 1 Mid Special Edition SE. Yes, I was hoping that they were these. Oh my gosh. So these, my friends, are, I believe, these are the Lukas. All right. So this is called the Mindfulness, but they are supposed to be like a kind of PE version for Luka. So up close here we have the Lukas, and yes, they are indeed dead stock. So this one's cool. Up close you can see it does have kind of more of a glossy finish. This is kind of a plasticky feeling kind of swoosh, I guess. I don't know what I would call that. But then you do have some hints right here, since 1972 Nike hoops. Even like the quality of the inside, like it's like quilted, which is pretty cool. But other than that, it's just kind of like a normal Jordan 1. Nothing too crazy here. And I'm glad that these came in here because they were just going for like maybe around retail, but Luka has been killing it.
The Mavs give it to Luka. There's a switch on the play, and here's the Luka magic.
These kind of shot up in price a little bit because he was having such an amazing game, but I think sadly they got knocked out, so kind of sucks. All right, 2 boxes left. Oh my gosh, this one's opening up by itself. So we have a size 12 pair of Yeezy 350s in the Zion colorway. So a shoe that, you know, a lot of people have seen nowadays, this black stripe. These ones are dead stock, hang tag hanging right there. So Definitely a nice colorway shoe, a good size too. Bigger sizes are doing pretty well. This is a look at the medial side, a little bit of a lighter brown shade over here. But overall, pretty nice shoe. Good add to the counter. Looks good. This shoe is honestly a good one to hold. I see these going up in the future, so we'll kind of see what happens with these. All right, 2 pairs left. And we have a size 10.5 New Balance. Man. So I don't remember if I talked to him about this, but this is one of the few New Balances that I actually really, really like. I don't know why. It's just such a plain, simple shoe. Yes. And they're used, because I appreciate used shoes because it makes it easier for me to wear. Like, I don't feel bad, because undestocking a shoe is kind of hard for me, but these are technically a Kith collab. All right, so these are the 998's Kith collaboration. This one is actually called the City Never Sleeps. So the reason why I like these so much is because you have like this shade of blue, and then it goes into a darker navy blue, and then it goes into like a black suede. So this up here is more like a nubuck, and then over here is still nubuck, and then over here it's like a black suede. So that's why I like this shoe. Yeah, the only defect right here is some yellowing, which I might be able to fix. Even like the inside, like that leather is pretty nice. So, and you can see right there it says New York City Kith set. So yeah, good quality shoe, goes for a decent amount, but these ones might be for personal. They are a little bit used, but not bad. It's cool that New Balance is making a wave right now with all the 992s and 993s coming out. Finally, a shoe for my collection. All right, sorry, not for sale. Size 10.5. And, oh, there's a little tiny thing in here. All right, so there is a cool little parachute toy from Supreme. So what ends up happening is you throw it in the air and the parachute kind of deploys, and on the parachute I think it says Supreme in a box logo somewhere. So cool little toy, not really worth too much. Maybe I'll throw it in also with one of the other sales. So, you know, just watch out. If you guys are buying stuff, you might be able to get this or the shower cap. Last shoe in the box, one that I know well, one that he wrapped a little bit extra carefully. We have a pair of the Jordan 6 Travis Scott colorway in size 10.5. So right here, boom, the Travis Scott 6s. Yes, like I said, they are dead stock. So this is a glow-in-the-dark outsole, so when it is nighttime and it soaks up some sun, then they will glow in the dark. There is also this cool little pocket here that does actually open with the Travis Scott logo right there. Some decent amount of room, I guess. So you got that. You got your normal Jordan Cactus Jack little lace lock right there. And on the back here, we do have Cactus Jack written on the heel. 2 different types of laces. And of course you can't really tell right now, but there is 3M under these holes. So when you take a photo, it'll shine bright. But a very nice shoe, very good quality shoe. I love olive. So definitely the hype shoe of our box and a good add to our counter. But overall, for a $2,000 box, we actually have a lot of decent stuff. So, you know, these are a good add to the counter. Everything else kind of is either something that has value or something that's easier to move, or, you know, there's a lot of different things. So $2,000, not bad. Now we got to see if we really did make some money on it and how much money we made, and see how well Tim did on this box. I mean, you did an outstanding job with the bubble wrap. So haven't had that done yet, but I appreciate it. Right over here, we're gonna go ahead and break down the value. So here is the list of all of the shoes and their market value. This is the sum total of it all, and minus $2,000, we are left over with this much in profit. And that's about insert number here, percentage. So I think there's gonna be a couple of good things in this box. So thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment. All those things really do mean a lot. Like when you guys click the subscribe, when you guys even click the notification bell, like I don't know if you do, but if you guys do, I'm super happy about it, because like you guys want to be notified when the next video is. I've never asked you guys to click the notification bell, but if you did, amazing job to all of you. So thank you so much for stopping by the channel, and make sure to come check us out on Instagram, on my eBay page. That's where I post all that stuff, all in the description box down below. But other than that, have a blessed one. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.